Today we're going to be doing a freebie commissions review. So in this review video I'm going to show you the members area because I'm inside of the members area here. We'll go over the sales page, I'll show you exactly what you get for your money, and then we'll go over some bonuses that I've put together for you if you decide to pick this up today. And in total I've put together 30 unique bonuses that will absolutely go ahead and complement this product here and this system. So let's look at freebie commissions and what is it that you're going to be getting for this. So let me show you the sales page. So this is the sales page and this is the headline. How we make up to $497 from every person we give a free product to. So essentially what this whole method here is geared around is you give something away of value and you make money on the back end. And this is a tried, proven, tested method to make money online. I do this in my online business and I know many marketers who do this, and it's a really simple method not only to make money but also to grow your email list. And if you're in internet marketing, then it's an absolute essential thing that you grow in your email list. So let me just scroll down here and we'll go over some of the key points for this. Let me just pause this. So how does this work? So this is done with no paid traffic, no product creation and no selling. So these are some of the benefits of this. So you can see on here, this is an exclusive freebie system, and I'll show you the freebies that you're going to be getting access to, because not only can you give those freebies away, you can go ahead and go through the courses yourself, and in total there's over $60 worth of courses included in there. So it includes multiple income streams, it's 100% free viral traffic, we'll come back to that, zero maintenance costs, and it's completely beginner friendly. Now I 100% agree with this completely beginner friendly, because if you were to go down this method normally of giving away freebies and building opt-in pages, you'd need to go down the route of getting hosting and building these landing pages, where everything on this product here is all being done for you. And it literally takes about a minute I'd say if you're brand new, it'd take less than 5 minutes to get everything set up, and I'll show you how easy this all is in a second. But let's just go over the sales page. So it's broken down into 3 quick steps to basically how you make money with this. So step 1 is you select one of the offers that you want to give away. Step 2 is you add your affiliate link, and step 3 is the important part, which is getting the traffic. Okay, and again there's training included for that within the course. Now obviously this is a sales page, so you've got some of their earnings on the screen here, and then they've got some testimonials on here and other bits about this. But look, I'll drop a link to the sales page below for you, feel free to go ahead and have a look at this. But let's go inside the members area and show you what this looks like. So this is in inside the members area. Now it's really simple to follow along with. You've got a welcome video here, you've got my profile, you've got training, and the done for you funnels. So essentially how this works is you're giving away a product. Now if I go here to the done for you funnels, I'll show you how this works. So inside of here, there are 2 funnels which have already been done for you. So you've got one here which is called Commission Shortcut, and you've also got one which is called Triple Traffic Bots. Now you're getting access to give these products away for free. Now these products here, these are actual products which are in the marketplace now, and let me show you them. So this is the first one. This is Commission Shortcut. So if I scroll down here, let's just go to how to click here to get started now. See, if somebody wanted to go ahead and purchase this now, it would cost, the light version is $35.95 and the pro version is close to $40, but you're able to give this away for free. And as I've mentioned, you can also go ahead and get access to this full course yourself, so you're getting 2 additional courses included in this software. So this is one of the products, Commission Shortcut, and the other one is this one here, which is called Triple Traffic Bots. Now if I scroll down here, how much is this one? This Triple Traffic Bots would cost you $18.95. So you can see both of these products that you're giving away, they are full courses. So it's something of value that you can give away to grow your email list. And how you make money with these products here that you're giving away, once somebody goes ahead and they get the front end course for free, all of these online courses, they have additional upsells. So if anybody purchases any of the upsells, then you also make money that way. And both of these courses, this Triple Traffic Bots and this Commission Shortcut, they have a minimum of 4 upsells. So it's a great way for you to make some additional money on the back end whilst building your email list, because you're giving something away of value. Now if I come back over here, so these are the 2 ones. So you get Commission Shortcut and you get this Triple Traffic Bots. So these are the done for you funnels, and you can, if you wanted to go and play around with any of these and edit them, then you see over here, you simply click on edit. You don't need to do too much editing with this, but let me just show you an example of this. So if I click on here, it allows you, basically, you can edit any part of this. Now, I wouldn't recommend this because it's literally, it's all been done for you. So you see this here, this is your opt-in page. So again, opt-in pages have all been done for you. The sales pages have been done for you. The graphics, basically, it's a done for you solution, isn't it? And anything that's done for you, I'm a huge fan of them. I really like them. So if I go back over here to the dashboard here, and we'll run back through here. So you've got the training here, we've got the dashboard here, you've got the training part here, which walks you through everything you need to do, so how to set up these done for you funnels. And they really are simple things. All you need to do is get your affiliate link, put it in here, and then you're up and running with this. So you've got an overview, you've got how to set up your campaigns, you've got how to create your own opt-in campaigns, because although they've given you done for you funnels, you can actually create your own opt-in pages and your own campaigns. And the bonuses that I've put together for you, it will give you a lot more options instead of just giving away 2 products. We've then got how to create social images, because this has got a software built into this which will go ahead and build social images for you. We've then got the bonus builder. We've then got traffic strategy. So probably the most important part is how to drive traffic over to these opt-in pages and these freebies for you. There's another one here, another one here, and then there's bonus content here where you can go over to the YouTube channel. It's also got here integrated. It's integrated with Warrior Plus. So here you can go ahead and you can search for thousands of products in literally a couple of minutes. We've then got the social images where you can go ahead and create these social images for you to share on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, everywhere else basically. Now if I go back over here to these done for you funnels, I'll show you this part very quickly. So you see here we've got the opt-in page. So this here, this opt-in page, let me just show you this. I'm going to click on here and go over here. So this opt-in page, you see this has all been done for you. All you do here is you put in your email autoresponder here, and then this is where somebody would put in their name and email. But again, all of these have been done for you. So if you was doing this traditionally, you would have to go and pay for hosting, and then you'd have to go ahead and build one of these opt-in pages. But these have all been done for you. And if you don't like the opt-in page, you can play around with it. So if I go back over here to edit, any part of this you can go and edit it, but personally I would say just leave it as it is, because it's all been done for you. But if you don't like it, you can go into the settings here and you can go and change any part of this. You can go and change images on here, you can change backgrounds, you can go ahead and change the actual opt-in page for you. So you see on here, look, load opt-in pages. If I click on here, you've got these 2 on here. If I go into this back up here, this is where you add in your code, and as I've mentioned, it's all very simple stuff, and it's a done for you solution. So this is Freebie Commissions. So you get access to the training, the software, and also these funnels which have all been done for you. You also get access to, where's it gone? This here, so the social images. So this is a software which allows you to create social images really quickly. You simply click on here and then you go through and you play around with this. So this is Freebie Commissions. So I said to you as well at the beginning, I've put together some bonuses for you to enhance this and make more money. So at this moment in time, if you purchase Freebie Commissions, you would get access to everything we've gone through so far and 2 done for you funnels, which basically means you would be able to go ahead and give away commission shortcut, this one up here, sorry, and also you'd get access to triple traffic bots. So 2 different products that you can give away for free, and you can also go and enroll in those and start, going through these courses and learning this yourself. Now let me show you some of the bonuses that I've put together for you with this. If I go over here, where's it gone? Sorry, it's over here. So you can see on here, to make this even better for you, I have put together 30 bonuses for this, because I've tried to do this so that if you do want to go down this route of giving something away for free and making money on the back end and building your email list, I don't just want to give you one offer, one solution. I want to give you many more. So these are the bonuses, and I'm not going to run through all of them because, as I meant, there's 30 in total. So this is the first one. It's called Content Curation Mastery. Now this here is a full video course. It will show you how you can make money using content curation. And you see, you can use this for authority sites, you can use this for niche websites, you can use this to build up your own blog or your own website, and ultimately you can use this as a giveaway. So you can give this away to people, or you can even sell this if you want. You can do basically whatever you want with that bonus there. So bonus number 2 is called Niche Authority, the ultimate guide to finding your niche and dominating this. It also comes with additional things, so we've got a checklist on here, we've got a cheat sheet, we've got a mind map on here, and then everything that's included with this for you. Bonus 3 is called Instant Traffic System. Again, this is a full course. This goes over how you can basically use email marketing, Facebook, forum, Pinterest and YouTube to drive traffic. So if you do go ahead and pick this up, I would recommend this bonus here, this Instant Traffic System. Go through this course, learn this and start using some of the strategies to drive people over to the freebies that you're giving away. Bonus number 4 is 10 evergreen blogs. So if you want to go ahead and have a blog as a lead, as an opt-in page or as a lead magnet, you can say to people, I will give you a blog. Then you give this bonus here away as a lead magnet. Bonus number 5 is called affiliate funnels. Learn everything there is to know about affiliate funnel systems. We've got ClickBank secrets. I'll quickly go through these. We've got Amazon affiliate profits. We've then got Flip Cash System, how to flip websites and domain names for simple and quick earnings. We've got CPA Storm, which is a full course about CPA marketing. We've got CPA Illuminati. We've got Bonus 11, which is Quick Cash Mastery. We've then got Instant Fiverr Profits, Fiverr Gold Rush. And then also we're going to give you access to all of the vendor bonuses. So Glenn, the product creator, he said you can go ahead and offer some of my bonuses, and he's allowed me to give you access to all of them. So let me go ahead and show you all of these bonuses that you will also get, as well as all of mine. So this is inside of all these additional bonuses, so you'll get all of these as well. So these here, these are all full courses. Every single one of these is a full course. So you come through and you click on any of these, and it will open up the course for you. So let me go and show you this one here. So look, this is the commission profit hack. This is this one here, commission profit hack. Look, this here, again, it's a full course. Module 1, Module 2, Module 3, Module 4, 5, 6, 7, and a conclusion. So you'll get all of these bonuses here, all of these full courses here. You'll then get access to all of my bonuses, so all of the ones that we've just run through here. So we've got all of these, and with these you can go ahead and give these away if you want. You can sell these, you can go and literally start going through these courses and learning what's included in this and start trying to make money with this. And then you'll also get access to the freebie commissions, the software, and the additional done for you funnel. So you're getting a hell of a lot for your money, as you can see here. So how much is this all going to cost you? Well, let me just go ahead and show you this. Important points about freebie commissions: it's cloud based, it's a free lunch system. So as I've mentioned, you get paid by simply giving away done for you products. It includes multiple income streams for you. Push button, it's 100% free, and most importantly for most of you watching this, it's completely beginner friendly. So how much will it cost you? Let's go down here. So this is the pricing. So when this launches, and this launches today at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time to 3 PM, it will cost you $19.97. After 3 PM, it then goes to $21. Then on Friday, we're up to $22.97. Saturday, $23. And then day 4, 5, and 6, it's at $25. Day 7 is $27.97. And then finally, we have got from midnight on Thursday, it is $37.97. So best case scenario, you're going to pick this up for $20. If you're watching this in a couple of weeks from now, then you'll be looking at this. But either way, whether you're paying this price here or this price here, you're getting a hell of a lot for your money. So you'll get all of the products, all of these bonuses here from Glenn, which is all of these ones here. So all of these are all full courses. You'll get access to all of those. You'll then get all of my bonuses, so all of the ones that we have just run through on here. There's 11 different additional bonuses on here. Then obviously you'll get access to freebie commissions and the done for you funnels here, which include the 2 additional courses, which were Commission Shortcut this one here, commission shortcut, and also the triple traffic bots. So it's pretty cool, isn't it? You're getting a hell of a lot of content and courses and softwares for your money. One last thing, how do you go ahead and get your bonuses? Well, let me go ahead and show you this. If you've never purchased via me before, let me show you this. To get your bonuses, it's really simple. So once you've purchased this, you go over to Warrior Plus and just log into your account. And then we'll go here, we'll go up here, we'll go purchase history. And then all you do is you would find the product that you've purchased. So in this example here, it'd be Freebie Commissions. You would scroll down to Freebie Commissions. You'd click on this here. And then you just look for the little blue box which says Access Affiliate Bonus. See this? Click on this, Access Affiliate Bonus, and it will take you through to all of my bonuses that we have gone through so far. So that is Freebie Commissions. That's the bonuses. That is how you go ahead and get access to them. The last thing is the OTOs, because all of these online products that come with some one-time offers. Let me quickly run through those for you. Okay, so this here is the rest of the funnel. So we've got OTO number 1. So this is the unlimited version. It allows you to create unlimited giveaway funnels, unlimited landing pages, and basically it gives you more templates, more banners, and additional options with this. So this will cost you $97. Go ahead and save yourself some money and get the down sale to $47. OTO number 2 is the done for you. So you will get an additional 3 done for you giveaway funnels. Insert your affiliate link in your autoresponder, and you're up and running. You've got 2 price points, 97, and again a down sale to 67. Out of all of these ones here, which one do I recommend? It's this one here, but please go ahead and get it at 67 and save yourself some money. The reason why I recommend this one is you get an additional 3 done for you giveaways, so that is 3 more courses that you can not only give away, but then you can go ahead and get access to them. OTO number 3 is called Automated Traffic Flow. This will show you how you can drive traffic from a number of sources over to these freebies that you're giving away. 2 price points again, 97 and 67. We've then got OTO 4, which is conversion boosting tools. We've got 67 and 47. OTO 5 is bonus page creator, 67 and 47. And then finally we have got OTO 6, which is the license rates. So there's quite a few OTOs in there. Out of all these, which one do I recommend? Personally, I would recommend this one here, OTO 2, but go ahead and get this for $67. And if you can afford it, then I would also recommend OTO number 3, because essentially it's going to show you how you can drive traffic over to these freebies and these landing pages and these lead magnets that you're going to be building. But do you need any of these for this product to work? No, you absolutely do not. You can go ahead and pick up the front end of Freebie Commissions. It's got everything included for you to get this system up and running. If you want to speed it up and you want a couple more options, then I recommend OTO 2 and also OTO 3. But please, if you do get these, get the down sale and save yourself $30. So that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. But thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.